So a lot of you have asked me about Rh negative blood, and it's not a natural evolution of the Earth species. It's an actual genetic marker that was altered and introduced by beings from beyond the stars, particularly a system known as the Orion complex and also from a star cluster in Lyra. This was not like a random mutation. It was very intentional, and it was a modification of the hominid genome at a key stage in our development when we were being upgraded. So approximately 225,000 years ago, a hybridization program was created to create a more advanced version of the human species. Okay, those who carried the Rh negative, Rhesus negative factor, were the first of this hybrid lineage that were altered to possess both physical attributes that were necessary for survival on Earth, especially during cataclysms, and to contain advanced psychic and multidimensional capabilities to connect with the higher realms. Okay, so this was done to accelerate human evolution. The Rh negative blood type acts as like a cosmic antenna to allow access to higher frequencies of consciousness, and it's a marker of beings who have been imprinted with extraterrestrial DNA specifically, and specifically from a species that was known as the Anunnaki, and then there's another form from the Pleiadian star cluster. Okay, so there is a place you guys might have heard of called the Basque region. This is in Europe, and it contains the highest percentage of Rh negative beings. Okay, so the Basque region was once a point of contact between humans and extraterrestrial overseers, and these overseers knew the genetic significance of this Rh negative blood and made sure it was preserved and dispersed through specific lineages. Okay, so if a person like myself, for instance, who is Rh negative, carries an Rh positive fetus, it is literally incompatible. It'll kill it. So this is why they give all mothers who are Rh negative RhoGAM. This incompatibility is a reminder that this blood type is not native to Earth, and it is a cosmic anomaly, a signal that some part of your genetic makeup originates from elsewhere. Then this doesn't mean that if you're Rh positive, that you're not gifted, and that you're not special, and that you don't have your own abilities. Quite the opposite. But Rh negative blood is a marker of those that are born from the stars. Those who carry it are not from here. The Rh negative trait serves as kind of a marker for beings with non-terrestrial origin, and it can be activated or influenced by various cosmic lineages. Okay, so Rh positive humans carry a more earth-bound genetic structure and signature that's important as well, and it connects them more deeply to Gaia's energy consciousness, the living sentient energy of this planet. And then Rh positive bloodlines were gradually shaped through this genetic influence by several extraterrestrial civilizations to be able to connect with the higher realms. So see, both are necessary, as above, so below. You have to have a balance. You get to have a balance between the Earth and the higher dimensionals to lift it up to ascension. So both of these are absolutely necessary to have on Earth, and they both have very important jobs here. So I hope that answers your question, and let me know if you guys have any other questions about Rh negative blood.